Titanoboa. The Titanoboa was a massive, 42-foot-long boa constrictor that lives 58 to 60 million years ago. Titanoboa description and size. If you think the 15-foot-long anaconda is a horror show, imagine Titanoboa, a 42-foot-long boa constrictor that was 3 feet wide at its widest point. There are some who even believe this snake could grow to 50 feet in length. Not only that, it could weigh as much as 2,500 pounds, which is well over a ton. Indeed, it was the largest predator on Earth during the middle to the latter part of the Paleocene epoch. Origin of its name. Titanoboa gets its name from the Titans, great old gods from Greek mythology. Boa comes from the Latin name for a large serpent from Pliny the Elder's Natural History. Diet. What did the Titanoboa eat? One would think that a snake the size of Titanoboa could eat anything it fancied, but scientists believe that the snake ate mostly fish. They came to this conclusion because of the snake's palate and the number and anatomy of its teeth. Most of these fish are now extinct. When it wasn't eating fish, Titanoboa probably ate other reptiles, crocodilians, and birds. A grown Titanoboa could quite easily vanquish a 300-pound turtle. When and where it lived. Titanoboa lived in the hot tropical rainforests that flourished between 58 and 60 million years ago, well after all the carnivorous predatory dinosaurs were safely dead. Because it was so large and heavy, the snake probably spent most of its life in the many rivers of its habitat. As with a large shark or whale, the water would have kept its 2-ton body buoyant. It's possible that the snake could hold its breath underwater for as long as an hour. Threats and predators. Titanoboa was the apex predator not just of South America but basically of the entire planet. Paleontologists have not yet found any animal who would fight with a grown Titanoboa. Indeed, some scientists believe the snake gladly swallowed whole crocodilians along with fish. However, it is possible that baby Titanoboas and Titanoboa eggs were preyed upon by the same crocodilians the adults ate. The one threat to the species as a whole was climate change. In this case, the climate started to cool, which bode ill for Titanoboa. Discoveries and fossils, where it was found. The first Titanoboa fossils were discovered quite recently. The fossils of 30 of the snakes were discovered in 2009 in the Surigón coal mines by paleontologist Jonathan Block. The team discovered the fossils in rocks that dated back 58 million years. They not only discovered the bones of this snake but evidence that it lived in a primeval rainforest. Now, fossilized of the snake are in the Geological Museum José Royo y Gómez in Bogotá, Colombia. Extinction. When did it die out? Titanoboa died out around 58 to 60 million years ago, so its dominance was fairly brief in geological terms. Scientists believe that climate change had something to do with it. The climate started to cool, and the enormous snake and other large reptiles couldn't maintain their metabolism. Also, the rainforests where Titanoboa reigned gave way to grassland over time. All of this paved the way for the emergence and eventual dominance of smaller reptiles. Thank you for watching.